So this is a software you can get, which is adjacent to Fortnite.
Gotcha.
Which you can use to kind of build games of your own.
Awesome.
But using the kind of assets that Fortnite has.
Okay.
So we would work on them to work on stuff like Pūrākau, like whakapapa, anything like that which they need to connect with, and then use that in-game to help them build what it looks like. So you'd say, what does a whakapapa entail? You have your maunga, your awa, your waka, your marae, this thing. And then go into the Fortnite builder and be like, okay, build something. Build me a maunga, build me an awa.
Awesome.
Show me what it looks like, Usually we would go on Discord and we'd have like their camera up and I'd sort of show them how to use it, how to build it, how to interact with it. So that we've got, what is if you're from Ngāti, what does your maunga look like? Does it have over here?
Yeah, is it a tall, sharp one? Is it kind of like flat? Yeah,
is it
cool.
like moa where it's like flat on the top?
Yeah.
So stuff like that we would use to interact with Te Ao Māori, or we would use to be like, build me a pūrākau, show me Maui slowing down the sun, show me tāwhaki, or, kupe with a whirlpool.
Oh, that's really cool.
Yeah.
If I'm wrong, but you're passionate about trying to use technology maybe to promote our culture, Te Ao Māori, Te Reo Māori. Have I got that right or not? Tell me about that.
So a lot of our mahi was around trying to saturate and engage with the digital space from a Māori viewpoint. Like, how can we make this, all these spaces and all these things that traditionally, because in my view, we as Māori tend to find that space a little bit scary at times because it's something which we haven't interacted a lot. And because it's something I'm passionate about, I'm like, I love this and I love this. How can I put them together?
100%. That's what I've tried to do for my adult life. I love business. I'm also very passionate about te reo, Te Ao Māori, and trying to figure out how do I bring as much of this together as possible. And, that's a little bit about what this is, So I get it. Yeah.